Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can resolve the issue. Issue is that your PC ran into a problem and need to restart and blue screen on your Windows 10 on 11. So don't panic. This video will help you to fix step by step to solve this issue and error permanently. So follow these steps. The first step is that you force restart your PC, hold the power button for 10 seconds. And the second step is that you have to boot into the advanced startup options and select the troubleshoot, and the second options advanced options startup repairs. When you're going to that section, if this issues continues, and open the command prompt admin and run the copy that prompt and write the prompt in the notepad and anything, and just type that prompt on the command prompt and just done it. And after that, if you go to the fourth step, go to the device manager and update or install recently added drivers and just update it. So the fifth step is that check Windows Update. If you don't update the Windows, just make sure that you just update the Windows and using the Windows updated version. And after that, if your problem not gonna solve, simply just going to the purchasing and just purchase a new window. And if you don't have to purchase the window, just update your window and make a new window, Windows 10, Windows 11 in your laptop, in your PC, in your desktop. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more upcoming solutions of the Windows.